Can I explain the real difference between interest rate and APR in under 3 minutes? You might think that interest rates and APRs are just fancy financial terms that mean the same thing. But here's the thing, they're not. And understanding the difference can save you a lot of money. The problem is, there's a lot of confusion around what each term really represents. Some people use them interchangeably, but that's not accurate. It can make it tough to compare loan offers and know you're getting a good deal. And let's be real, who doesn't want to save money on their loan? The lack of clarity around interest rates and APRs can lead to some costly mistakes. When you're borrowing money, you're essentially being charged a fee for the privilege of using someone else's cash. That's what the interest rate represents. It's the cost of borrowing money, expressed as a percentage of the loan amount. For example, if you borrow $10,000 at an interest rate of 5%, you'll owe $500 in interest over the course of a year. But here's the thing, that $500 might not be the only cost associated with borrowing that money. The APR, on the other hand, is the annual cost of your loan, including fees. It's like the interest rate, but it's more comprehensive. The APR takes into account not just the interest rate, but also any fees associated with the loan, like origination fees or closing costs. So, if you borrow that same $10,000 at an interest rate of 5%, but you also have to pay $200 in fees, your APR might be 6% or higher. Let's say you have two loan offers. One has an interest rate of 4%, but you have to pay $500 in fees. The other has an interest rate of 5%, but there are no fees. Which one is the better deal? It turns out that the second loan, with the higher interest rate but no fees, might actually be the cheaper option. That's because the APR on the first loan, with the 4% interest rate and $500 in fees, might be 6% or higher. This is why it's so important to look at the APR when comparing loan offers. The interest rate is just one piece of the puzzle. The APR gives you a more complete picture of what you'll really be paying. So, next time you're shopping for a loan, make sure you're comparing APRs, not just interest rates. Have you ever been confused by interest rates and APRs? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about personal finance and make smart money decisions, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks.